This is a strawberry. It was picked this morning. It is perfect. By tomorrow, something will have already begun. The strawberry does not know it is dying. It has no way to know. But the moment it was separated from the plant that grew it, a countdown started. The sugars inside it are no longer being replenished. The cell walls are no longer being maintained. The strawberry is, from this moment, living on borrowed time. By day 2, the first bacteria have arrived. They were always there, on the skin, in the air, carried by a passing fruit fly who landed for a fraction of a second. Lactobacillus, Gluconobacter. They are not invaders. They are the universe's recycling system, and they have been waiting patiently for this moment. They begin to eat. By day 4, the surface of the strawberry has changed. A faint softening near the tip, a slight darkening of color. To a human eye, this looks like a strawberry going bad. To a bacterium, this is a city under construction. Millions of organisms are now reproducing every 20 minutes. The population doubles, then doubles again, then again. By the end of day 4, there are more living organisms on this single strawberry than there are humans on Earth. They are eating the sugars first, the fructose and glucose that made the strawberry sweet. As they eat, they produce acids. The strawberry begins to smell different, slightly fermented, slightly wrong. Day 6, the fungi arrive. Botrytis cinerea, gray mold. It lands as a single invisible spore and within hours has extended the first threads of its body, hyphae, each one thinner than a human hair, into the flesh of the strawberry. The fungus does not eat the way bacteria eat. It secretes enzymes first. It dissolves the strawberry's cell walls from outside. It turns solid flesh into liquid, and then it drinks. This is not violence, this is chemistry. By day 8, the strawberry has collapsed inward at one point. The skin has broken. The interior, which was once firm white flesh threaded with seeds, is now a softening mass of partially digested sugars and proteins. The fungus has spread across a third of the surface. It is now producing spores, thousands of them launched invisibly into the air of the room, searching for the next strawberry. Day 10, the fruit flies have found it. Drosophila melanogaster, the common fruit fly. She is not here for the strawberry, she is here for the yeast. Yeast has been quietly fermenting the sugars, producing ethanol, producing the smell that travels through the air and reaches the fly's antennae from across the room. She lands. She drinks. She lays her eggs, tiny and white and barely visible in the softest part of the rotting flesh. Within 24 hours, the eggs have hatched. The larvae are eating. Day 14. The strawberry is no longer recognizable as a strawberry. It has become a community. Bacteria, fungi, mites, nematode worms too small to see with the naked eye, all occupying different layers, eating different things, producing different compounds. The red pigment that once made it beautiful has broken down into simpler molecules. The color is now brown and gray. The smell is extraordinary, not unpleasant exactly. Complex, earthy, rich, the smell of transformation. Day 20. What is left weighs almost nothing. The water has evaporated. The sugars have been consumed. The proteins have been broken into amino acids, the amino acids into simpler compounds, and those compounds into carbon dioxide and water and minerals. The strawberry is returning to the elements it was made from. Day 30, there is almost nothing left. A dark spot on a white surface. A few molecules of what was once a perfect strawberry. But in the soil nearby, those molecules have arrived. Nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon. The minerals a plant needs to grow. They will be absorbed by roots. They will become part of another plant. That plant may produce another strawberry. The strawberry does not end. It transforms. This is not decay. This is how the world feeds itself. Every living thing that has ever existed has gone through this process. Every molecule in your body was once something else, will be something else again. The strawberry was perfect this morning. It is still perfect now. It is just doing what it was always going to do.